In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate bonus in Microsoft Excel. We'll take a simple employee list, use the bonus percentage each person has been awarded, and turn that into a bonus amount and a new salary that includes the bonus. By the end, your sheet will calculate everything automatically for every employee. Open Excel and head to the worksheet that contains your data. You should see columns for employee details along with salary and bonus percent. We'll create two new results, bonus amount and new salary. The process is quick, and once you write the formula for the first row, Excel will fill the rest. Let's start with the bonus amount. Identify the columns that hold salary and bonus percent. For example, if salary is in column B and bonus percent is in column C, click the first cell where you want the bonus amount to appear, such as D2. Type A equals B2, C2 and press enter. That multiplies the current salary by the bonus percentage and gives you the bonus amount for that employee. Copy that formula down to the rest of the rows. You can drag the small square in the corner of the cell downward or double-click it to autofill to the bottom of your data. Excel automatically updates the row references, so D3 will use B3 and C3 and so on. Now calculate the new salary with the bonus included. In the next column, click the first cell for new salary, say E2, and enter equals B2 plus D2, then press enter. This adds the original salary and the bonus amount. Copy that formula down the column the same way to populate new salaries for all employees. A few quick tips to keep your results accurate and easy to read. Make sure the bonus percent column is formatted as a percentage, not a whole number. 10% should appear as 10% or 0.1%. If you type 10 without the percent sign, Excel treats it as 1000%, which will inflate your numbers. Format the bonus amount and new salary columns as currency, so the values are clear at a glance. If you see any unexpected zeros, check for blank bonus percentages or salaries in those rows. If you prefer a single formula for the new salary, you can also compute it directly as salary times 1 plus the bonus percentage. Using our example, that would be ALS B2, 1 plus C2. The result matches the two-step approach, so choose whichever is easier for you to audit and explain. That's it. You've successfully calculated the bonus and the new salary for each employee. Save your file to keep the changes, and your worksheet is ready for reporting, sharing, or further analysis.